Hello friends, welcome to my videos. So in this video I am gonna give you a tour of Jagannath temple in Bokaro. So recently I visited India and I visited the town of Bokaro. So Bokaro is a tiny town in the state of Jharkhand. It is very peaceful and beautiful. So if you are planning a trip to Jharkhand, don't miss this town. And this temple is there in Bokaro, and this is a very good temple. Like all temples are good, but here you have a lot of peace of mind, and there's a lake also where you're gonna spend some time. And there are so many things inside the temple, like a Surya temple and various other temples inside the premises. So if you go there, uh, uh, don't forget to take a visit to this place. Let's continue with the video, and if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. And anything you want to see or you have any comment, please put here and I'm gonna do that. Thank you.